Well, after spending nearly a year battling COVID-19, thousands of healthcare workers are getting a much-needed break and an experience of a lifetime. More than 7,000 vaccinated healthcare workers will be in the stands at the Super Bowl tomorrow in Tampa, including a dozen from right here in Southern California. NBC4's Kim Tobin talked to one of them. Kim.
Hey there, Kathy. This is so awesome. I talked to Alfonso Williams. He is a respiratory therapist at UCI Medical Center in Orange, but he is in Tampa Bay right now. He's getting ready for the Super Bowl with his fellow healthcare workers. He says they're feeling thankful and very grateful that they're being honored with this big moment. Donning masks and face shields, these are the healthcare workers who have been caring for COVID-19 patients for nearly a year. Alfonso Williams and 11 of his coworkers will be hanging up their stethoscopes for the weekend and attending Super Bowl 55.
We're very thankful. We're so happy. We know this is probably the most limited Super Bowl in history, and we're able to attend. It's just like a dream come true.
Speaking to us from his Tampa Bay, Florida hotel room, Alfonso just landed last night. He's been working 12-hour shifts, sometimes 8 days in a row, as a respiratory therapist at UCI Medical Center, caring for the most critical COVID patients. And being on the front lines of this battle is very different from another he's experienced. He's an Army veteran who served in Afghanistan and was awarded the Purple Heart after his crew's truck was hit by an IED.
I don't know what's more stressful, leaving the Army base, going on the front lines, fighting a war, or working in the hospital during this COVID pandemic.
He always knew he wanted to work in healthcare after the Army and has been a respiratory therapist here at the hospital for 5 years now. To get a break from COVID, he and his coworkers started a fantasy football league this season. One of the nurses wrote Roger Goodell asking if they could be invited to the Super Bowl, and they were shocked to be chosen along with thousands of healthcare workers from across the country.
We're so ecstatic. It was amazing. Like, it still feels so surreal right now. Even though I'm here in Tampa Bay, it still feels so surreal. I think it's going to hit me tomorrow once we walk through those gates and we see the field.
A much-deserved break and a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And after their 3-night vacation is over, it's back to the front lines to continue their fight.
And we know once the Super Bowl is over, it's back to the grind, and we got to get back to work and help our community and help our patients get better so they can get home with their families.
So Alfonso tells me that he and his coworkers actually had to prove that they've had both doses of the vaccine, and they did not get a +1. No family members or friends could join them. It's just them, but they'll get to watch the game together. And at his hospital, this was actually able to happen because the other coworkers stepped in to fill those shifts for the people who are going to be able to watch the Super Bowl. Again, a much-deserved break that they need during this time. Such a great experience that it's going to happen for them. Kathy and Jonathan.
Well, what an incredible opportunity. Kim, thanks for sharing that great story.